Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to add guides or ruler into your canvas size in Photoshop. Let me show you how. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure your ruler is visible. So if you cannot find your ruler from left and the right here, just go to view and then come down right here and make sure your ruler is checked, or better still press Ctrl R. This will bring up your ruler. So once you have your ruler, drag your ruler both vertical and horizontal, up and down, just like so. So I'm going to drag my ruler to the down right here. Then I will go ahead and drag my ruler to this side right here. Now, next thing we want to do here is to add canvas size to this particular layout. For that, what we want to do is to come to the top right here. We make sure we go ahead and click on image. Then from image, we go to canvas size or press Alt plus Control plus C and then click on it. So once this particular window is pumped up, in some cases, if relative is not checked, make sure you click on check relative. And the next thing you want to do is to come in right here and then enter a figure of the guideline you want to add. Like for instance, I'm going to add minus 0.125. Then I'll come to the height. So I'm going to leave it the same size, minus 0.125. Then make sure relative is checked and hit on OK. Then click on proceed. And it's good, just like what you see right here, it has added to your guideline. So what you want to do is to drag your ruler again and make sure it snaps into that particular new guide, just like so. So both left and the right. Then I'm going to drag for this side also, just like so. So if you want to add additional guide, so for that, go back to image, then go to canvas size. Then here you can increase the size. So this time around, I'm going to add 2 by 2. Then hit on OK. So you can see, so we have add another one right here. So just like what you see right here, but this time around, it's going to be a plus. So you can drag and drop your ruler. So just like so, once you are satisfied with all the guide, then you are good to go. So I'm going to drag my ruler to the last part right here. Right here. Then it's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.